Hi friends, welcome back to Ruchi's teaching channel. This is Ruchi here. In this video I am going to explain review tab here. Can you see the screen here in front of you? Whichever screen is there, that is Word document. This is new Word document, and I am entering into the review tab. In this review, in this review tab, some groups are there. I will just read the groups. This is proofing, language, comments, tracking, changes, compare, protect. Okay, these are the groups over here. Now today I'll be dealing with all these options of the review tab. Now I'll be going to proofing group first. Now first, can you see here, spelling and grammar is there, research is there, thesaurus, word count. I'll explain you first. Now spelling and grammar, by seeing that option only, you can understand that it is something like concerned with the spelling. So suppose if you have done any mistake, you might have observed when you type in something, it will be showing red line down if you do some mistake to it. That means whichever word you are typing, if that word is not matching with the dictionary or the word which is in the system, if it is not matching, or if you do any mistake, grammar mistake, or space if you don't give, it will give some red line. So those things will be found out with this spelling and grammar. Okay, right now I will show you how you will take out those mistakes. Now I'll type something. The computer is electronic. I am typing some one line. Right, I have written correctly, but I will do some mistakes in it, and I will show you how it will show the. See, the moment I have done a mistake there, it is showing red line. Now I will show you how the spelling and grammar will option will change the how it recorrects the mistake. Right, first let me select the sentence. Right, now go to spelling and grammar, click on it. You have, can you see here that whole sentence is been shown in this box. Spelling and grammar dialog box has come, and here some options are there: ignore once, ignore all, add to dictionary. Now what are all these actions? So ignore once means, suppose if you think that that particular word is correct for you, that particular word is not there, it might not be there in the system, but it might be right for you. Whatever you have typed is right, then you can say ignore once. I will ignore it. So what is it is saying? I have clicked on that. It is saying word finished checking the selection. Do you want to continue checking the remainder of the document? I will say yes. And it is saying the spelling and grammar check is complete. That means whatever I have typed is correct, it is saying. Whatever you have typed is has been checked, it is completed. Why? Because I have ignored it. I have clicked on ignore once. Why I have clicked whatever word I have written, I feel it is right, but actually it is wrong. If you want to ignore it, you can ignore it. Like now I will show you how to correct it. Give a click on it. Because already I have checked it, that's it. Now again I will select it. Now go to spelling and grammar. You can get one doubt here, why it is showing that type of box here, why it is showing this word has been finished checking. It is saying because already I have said ignored, so it is taken into count that correction is over. So now what we will do is, again I will do some mistake over here, some mistake, and I will type something else. Okay, I have taken some letters from there. Now it will show the spelling and grammar dialog box. See, here it has shown. See, can you see here that particular word which is not correct, that word is comparing with the words, which are there in the dictionary. Can you see here? See, many words are there with that C. So it is asking whichever word you want, you can take it. But what I want, actually, I want computer over there. So if I say ignore, it will say ignore. If I say ignore all, it will not at all take into count to that total sentence. So what I will say is, I will say autocorrect. Or if I say change, see, why it is say is something has been selected over here, that means that's why it is changed to that particular, see, camphor it is saying, but I don't want that. I want computer over there. So what I will do is, first let me close this. Now again I will go there, and again I have to select it. Go to spelling and grammar. Now it is taking that. Okay, whatever it is. Now we'll go to this word, electronic word should come there. So I will say autocorrect. So what it is saying, that is correct it is saying, because I have done ignore first time. I will say yes. Okay. Now let me go to the, see, automatically it is taking that word. Okay. Let me do that correction. Compute. I will remove the T and we will do once again. Now go to spelling and grammar. What it is saying, can you see here? For this word, it is asking whether you want computer, compare, comparer, all these things. Now I want computer, so I will select. Already it has been selected with a blue light highlighted it is. So I will say change. If I say change, computer will come. Changed, na? Now see here, this is also wrong. So again it is asking anything should I change here. That means it is red, it is showing in red color, means it has to be changed. Okay, but no suggestions are there. That means that particular word is nothing in there, over there it is saying. So we will say ignore, and if you want, you can directly change. That particular word is not there, that's why it is so showing that. Okay, this is how you will be doing the spelling and grammar. And research, I'll click on research. Now first let me select the sentence. Now go to research. See what happens. Can you see to the right side of your screen? One research box has come. What it is saying, research for, in this first box, the computer is electronic machine is has been given in that particular box, and it is asking if you want to do some research on it, you do. I'll just give a click on it, start researching. I will just give a click on it. So what it is showing, it is showing these many words are there. If you want, you can change, you can give the different names for this. Whichever thing if you want to do, you can do. This is about the research. Now go to thesaurus. Okay, now what is thesaurus? Thesaurus is like a dictionary where you will be shown all the synonyms. What are synonyms? The word with like meaning will be same, but different words will be there. Now what I will do is, I will take this electronic word and I will show you the thesaurus. See, can you see here? Thesaurus in English, electronic, it's concerned with the electricity, like that. Okay, so it is showing different wordings here. Say electronic, electronics, electronica. Okay, so different synonyms it will show. Thesaurus means word count. Now what I will do is, I will select the whole sentence and I'll click on it. Word. So can you see this box? It is showing how many pages. Only in one page we are. So how many words are there? total 5 words it is showing. 1 2 3 4 5 words. So characters, how many characters, how many letters are there, that many letters it is counting and showing. And spaces, how many spaces, 35 spaces in this sentence only, on that particular sentence only it is showing, counting everything, and it is giving. Okay, this is about word count. Now come to the language. Now this sentence it can change to different language. Now suppose if you have net connection also, it will go enter into the net web, through web also it will go, it will change to different languages. Now I will just show whether I don't know whether this net works on or not. If it works, it's okay. Click on it. Now translate document English to Hindi, I will select. Now what is saying, word is about to send the word for translation over internet is unencrypted HTML format. It will be translated by Microsoft or translator service. So do you want to continue? If it is asking you to whether should I do with through web, through net, I will say send. That means this sentence is been sent to the net, and then it will take that sentence. Say web translator is opening, net connection is it. That's why it's, if you don't have any web net connection, it will not do this work. Okay, see, it is been changed. Can you see here? I said to English to Hindi. Already I have given English. It is showing Hindi. Computer electronic machine hai. Okay, understood? This is about translation. This also language is also the same thing like translate only. Now comment. Okay, now can you see here, when I clicked on comment, it is showing, that means this whole sentence it has been tagged to comment section. I don't want like that. First I will remove the delete. I will do that, I will remove the particular comment. And now what I will do is, first I will take only one word and I will do comment on it. I can do comment. Okay, only for a particular word. I can say it is concerned with electricity. I can type whatever I want. Right? So this is the comment. Now if you want to delete the comment, just now I have shown you that you can delete it. Suppose if you have a big paragraph, in that you can give many comments. In that previous one, next one, you can move to previous next. Okay, now I will say, I will type something. I will, what I am showing is, I want to track the changes. Now I have typed something. Now I will first highlight it. Okay, now I will go to track changes. What is track changes? Track changes is nothing but whatever insertions, whatever deletions, whatever formattings you are doing to that particular paragraph, all those things will be tracked and kept there, and it will show you whenever you want. Right? I will click on this track. Now it will track the operations, whatever operations you are doing. Now what I will do is, I will remove this. I will delete it totally. I will delete from W and till H. I will delete. See, it is tracking. What it is saying, I have deleted it. I have typed something else. So whatever I am doing, it is tracking. Right? Understood? Now what I will do, one more tracking, one more change I will do, sorry. And that change will be tracked again. Again I will delete it. No, I don't want to delete that. First what I will do is, I will select it and I will make it increase the size of that particular letters. Right? Go to home and increase the size. See, it is tracking the change. Whatever I am doing, see, can you see there? What it is saying, this has been formatted to 90 size. I have been formatted, font I have changed. So these are nothing but tracking. See here, I have given the definition comment, like it is saying like a dictionary. I have done it, and here like I have deleted some letters in it. It is saying that it is deleted, and here I have done editing. Editing in the sense, I have formatted the font over this. So all these things are tracked. Right? Now again go to review. You can see the track, because this, when it is highlighted, you should think that everything is tracking. Okay, here what are these things is, now whatever we have done here, comment, deleted, all those things, whichever markup you want, that many markups you can select over insertions. Just now I have inserted and deleted, and just now I formatted to for 90 size. So all these things, whatever you do, if you highlight, it will it will take. If you don't check all these things, if you remove all these things, check boxes, tick marks, it will not do any tracks, right? Now here accept the current change and move to the next proposals. Whatever you are doing, it is accepting. Suppose if you want to reject, now what I will do is I will select this. Now I will select this. Till electronic, that means only electronic entry. I will say reject and move to next, right? It will reject that particular thing. Reject. See, have you seen this? It has been rejected, and it has been the track. Can you see here? This is called tracking, this line. So, and it has been entered into the another thing here, right? See, when you have done this also, it is showing here. When I keep my mouse pointer here, it is showing the thing whatever you have done there. This is how you will be doing. So previous one is deleted, that's why it is not showing. Do you want to continue searching from the end of the document? No. Okay. Compare and restrict editing. Restrict editing is whatever you are doing now, those will be restricted, and comparing is not that much important. Like compare two versions of a document. Suppose whatever versions are there, you can compare those two versions of that particular document. Okay, so I hope everything has been completed in the review tab. So with this I will end up my video, and if you have any doubts, still if you want me to explain anything clearly in this video, please let me know through comment section, and I will try to do that. I will reply to you. Before that, what I would like to say is, if you have not still subscribed to this channel, please subscribe it, share it to your friends, share it to your into your Instagram, Facebook, everything. Okay, then I hope you liked this video, and if you like it, like the video, give a thumbs up to it, and share it to your friends, subscribe the channel. Okay, then I'll be coming with another video. Next upcoming video will be mostly review has completed, view will be the video, view tab. Okay, then thank you, bye.